नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका। आपके साथ मैं हूं श्वेता मिश्रा। एफएमजी डॉक्टर्स यानी फॉरेन मेडिकल ग्रेजुएट्स डॉक्टर्स, इन्हें विदेश में ग्रेजुएशन के बाद इंडिया में रजिस्ट्रेशन से लेकर इंटर्नशिप तक समस्याओं का सामना करना पड़ता है। क्या है ये समस्याएं और इनका कैसे निदान हो सकता है, इसी को लेकर जानकारी देने के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं डॉक्टर राजेश राजन, जो एसोसिएशन ऑफ एमडी फिजिशियन के अध्यक्ष हैं। डॉक्टर राजेश, बहुत स्वागत है आपका। डॉक्टर राजेश, एफएमजी डॉक्टर्स की समस्याओं को लेकर परसेप्शन और रियलिटी क्या है?
Association of MD physicians representing more than 1 lakh foreign medical graduate doctors in India. As I said, these 1 lakh doctors graduated from various countries like UK, Singapore, Russia, Germany, USA, China, Ukraine, Georgia, Bangladesh, Nepal, Philippines, Mauritius, and so on. These students, when they go for their undergraduate MBBS course in various universities outside India, they have to appear for a NEET eligibility exam proposed by Medical Council of India. So the quality is assured before going, because only those who gets a NEET eligibility score, then only they can go and join these universities or colleges. So after completion of this MBBS from outside, they have to undergo another screening exam conducted by National Board of Examinations. It is called Foreign Medical Graduate Exam, FMGE. So regarding the quality, before going and after coming, it is assured, and there is no compromise in quality at all. And on top of that, most of these universities are approved by World Health Organization. And these universities and colleges are listed in the Medical Council of India's website as the approved colleges and universities. So the quality is not at all compromised anywhere. So the problem starts as soon as they come back. When they start appearing for this screening exam, the first problem they are facing is the exorbitant fee, which is applied on these doctors by National Board of Examinations. The fee for FMG exam is 6,500 Indian rupees, while all other exams conducted by National Board charging a fee of 2,500 to 2,750 Indian rupees. Second is the transparency of this entire process. There is no transparency kept at all. It's a violation of human rights. It's no other exam in India having this kind of non-transparency, because here the candidates are not supposed to have the previous year question papers. They have no accessibility to answer keys. They have no rights to go for a re-evaluation. So the entire process is non-transparent. And if you ask them a RTI or any kind of reply from them, they never used to reply properly. If you post a RTA, they will say this is not under the purview of RTA and that they are not supposed to answer this. And the third discrimination is the pattern of questions. They keep on changing the pattern. During the last FMG exam conducted in August 2020, without informing the candidates, they just changed the pattern from the undergraduate level to PG level. And most of the questions, previously they were asking single line questions, they changed into paragraphs. They were giving some photographs and asking various conditions, and these photographs were blurred and students were unable to identify the exact conditions which they wanted to get it from the students as answers. So these kind of malpractices happening in national board, they are not answerable to anybody in the country, even to Supreme Court. Recently we have approached Supreme Court, and still there are several problems pending with National Board of Examinations. And on top of that, even after clearing this exam, these doctors have to pay a a huge fee to join the internship, 12 months internship. For example, Kerala government now charging 1.2 lakhs, while the Tamil Nadu government charging between 3.5 to 5 lakhs, and state to state it varies, and lot of corruption also happening behind the scene. And the worst part is many TV channels like you people are telecasting the issues created by the national board. For example, recently national board was claiming that their website got hacked. If their website got hacked, it is not the issue of a candidate. It's if they cannot provide a proper website, how they are conducting all other exams, including NEET PG, NEET super specialty exams. So the entire system is corrupted, and they wanted to impose their failure on students. And I request the national televisions like you to telecast only the truth. You should have a proper homework before going with any kind of such illegal news.
डॉक्टर राजेश, फॉरेन मेडिकल ग्रेजुएट्स का इंडिया में करंट स्टेटस आखिर क्या है?
Yeah, regarding the current scenario of foreign medical graduates in India, almost half of the foreign medical graduates, that means more than 40 to 50,000 doctors, not working anywhere at present. Around 30,000 doctors who are yet to write the foreign medical graduate exam, where there is no transparency and the pass percentage is less than 10%. All this happens because of the non-transparency. Another 20 to 30,000 doctors who completed their foreign medical graduate exam, half of them ongoing the internship program, and half of them after completing the internship they are waiting for the permanent registration. Only with the permanent registration one can work in our country. So there is a huge delay in giving the permanent registration to foreign medical graduates. It differs from state to state. For example, in Delhi, you can get a permanent registration within 3 to 4 months. The same thing, if you go to Kerala, it can take up to 12 months, and you are lucky if you get it in 12 months. So such a delay happening because of the non-proper functioning of the state medical councils, and I urge Health Minister to look into this matter so that we will get more doctors. And recently we have noticed an order from Delhi, I mean the Delhi Union Territory. Because of the shortage of doctors, they are appointing the 3rd year and 4th year MBBS students along with the Ayurvedic doctors to look after the COVID-19 patients. When the country is facing such a pandemic, when we have this kind of a huge workforce which government can utilize free of cost, and why government is not doing that? And what is the reason? I urge Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, to take this matter very seriously and please employ these doctors for free of cost. Obviously, if these doctors are joining the internship and the 12 months, the government is not paying stipend like Indian doctors. So it's a free of cost delivery of service for more than 12 months, more than 30,000 doctors. Government should utilize. When there is a war kind situation, it's a duty of the government, it's a duty of the health minister, the Prime Minister of India to look after the healthcare sector of our country. Association of MD Physician urge the PMO as well as the health minister to take necessary steps to give justice to all the foreign medical graduates who are facing such kind of discrimination inside our country.
अब भारत में एफएमजी के लिए एएमडी डॉक्टर्स के अदालती हस्तक्षेप को कैसे देखते हैं, साथ ही ये भी बताएं कि 4 दिसंबर 2020 को होने वाली एफएमजी परीक्षा के संचालन और मूल्यांकन के तरीके में हस्तक्षेप के लिए एमडी डॉक्टर्स का एसोसिएशन दिल्ली हाईकोर्ट क्यों गया है.
Regarding the various court interventions by Association of MD Physicians for the benefit of foreign medical graduates, we have approached initially Supreme Court of India with a request to implement the percentile mode of evaluation for this foreign medical graduate screening exam, by quoting the fact that most of the exams, medical exams in India at present is evaluated on the basis of percentile, and 99% of the exams conducted by National Board of Examinations also evaluated in the percentile mode. This is the only exam still exists in the percentage method. So we approached the Supreme Court, as Supreme Court is the authority to make any changes for this foreign medical graduate exam, because the initial guidelines how to conduct this foreign medical graduate exam laid down by Supreme Court in 2004 while having Sanjeev Gupta versus Union of India. There was a case. During that case in 2004, Supreme Court set the guidelines. So Supreme Court is the only authority in India to change any kind of changes for this screening test named FMG. So when we approached Supreme Court given us a liberty order on 30/9/2020 by saying that you can approach the concerned authority, and the authority should decide the matter expeditiously, the matter which we mentioned in the petition. In the petition, we were requesting Supreme Court to implement percentile mode of evaluation for the exam conducted during 31st August 2020 and for all the upcoming exams. So as per the Supreme Court order, we have approached the central government with a representation, and till today we didn't get any proper reply from any authority. National Board of Examinations replied to us that it is not under their purview to change percentage to percentile mode of evaluation. So obviously it comes under Ministry of Health as well as the National Medical Commission, as the Medical Council of India is no more. And second court intervention was in Kerala High Court. During the first week of November, the main issue was Kerala government implemented a 12-time hike of internship fee. Previously, any foreign medical graduates, after completing the screening test, they have to apply for the internship, 12 months rotated internship. And previously, the fee was just 1,000 rupees for 12 months. Recently, during the second week of October, Kerala government introduced a fee of 1,20,000 rupees for 12 months for these foreign medical graduates. So against this Kerala government order, Association of MD Physicians approached High Court to stay this order, and the case was posted for 4th of December 2020. And third court case given by Association of MD Physicians in Delhi High Court to get a stay order for the upcoming foreign medical graduate exam screening test, which is to be held on 4th of December 2020. Why we went for a stay order? Because initially the Supreme Court directed Association of MD Physicians to approach the authorities to solve the issues, especially the marking evaluation system, to change it from percentage to percentile, and it should get applied for the 31st August 2020 FMG exam also. So there was no reply from any authority properly. We approached the High Court to get a stay order so that the government can decide the matter expeditiously and can go ahead with further exams. The Government of India lawyer requested the judge more time to answer to this particular petition. So the judge given time till 1st of December. So these are the few court proceedings AMD initiated. In the pipeline there are more issues pertaining to the foreign medical graduates there. We will continue fighting till the authorities will consider foreign medical graduates equal to Indian medical graduates and should consider like an Indian citizen, and we have all the rights.
डॉक्टर राजेश, कोरोना के खिलाफ जंग में एफएमजी डॉक्टर्स का इंडिया में योगदान और बाहर सीखी गई तकनीकों के उपयोग को आप कैसे देखते हैं?
Well, regarding the contributions of foreign medical graduates or possible contribution by foreign medical graduates is the need of the hour for our country as we are going through a catastrophic pandemic. As I said earlier, most of these doctors are trained in internationally famous, WHO recognized, Medical Council of India recognized, reputed medical colleges as well as universities. And they are coming from various developed countries where the techniques, the medicine, which is more developed than our country, and I urge this government to make use of these doctors with ample knowledge instead of depending on third year, fourth year students or Ayurvedic doctors for fighting against this COVID-19 pandemic. And the expertise which these doctors got internationally will be very much useful during this pandemic, and I am sure Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, and Honorable Health Minister, Sri Dr. Harshvardhan ji, both of them together will take proper decision to employ these 30,000 doctors immediately, as well as the remaining 30,000 to get their permanent registration as well as to finish their internship at the earliest. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to represent foreign medical graduates on behalf of Association of MD Physicians.
डॉक्टर राजेश, बहुत शुक्रिया आपका हमसे जुड़ने के लिए और तमाम अहम सवालों के जवाब देने के लिए। और चलिए इसी के